Before we start today's video, I just want to let you guys know Zach is taking a nap inside of the Technoshop 240. That's how clean it is now in here that Zach is willing to sleep. So we have a giveaway going on right now for a t-shirt pack from one of the Shinchoku t-shirts. I'm going to put it down here in the bottom of this picture so you'll be able to see what you're going to get. It's going to be a t-shirt, a lanyard, an 8-inch sticker, a Zach probably making dumb faces in the background.
But wait, there's more. It's all free.
Yes, it's all free.
You know what? If you subscribe now at the low price of $1,799, you get subscriptions for free.
So go subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you tag 3 friends on Instagram and send us a message with the screen capture of you being subscribed to our channel, or on our Facebook, you can comment the picture and tag the 3 friends. So if you go and do that, you're entered in to win one of our t-shirt packs. Now it's going to go back on to the regular old video we were doing. Now time to pull the motor out of the poopy S14 and directly swap it right into this car. I am definitely not excited to do this right now. It is so cold out. It gets extremely dark out. Step 1 that I'm going to do is get the radiator mounts out. That's literally like holding the radiator on with some force. Alright, that's pretty decently cold. Motor's kind of warm. Now I have to go and raise this up, drain the fluids out of the radiator, drain the fluids out of the transmission, and yoinker. Radiator has been drained. There's like a fair few drops coming down. It's so dark out here you literally can't see what I'm doing. So next step is going to be releasing the intercooler. There's actually a hole underneath this coupler right here. This actually doesn't like join 2 clamps. There's just a hole. So the highest level of ghetto thing that you could possibly do would be to put a piece of rubber and then hose clamp it around. So intercooler piping is undone. We're ready. So we're gonna pull the intercooler off. It's just gonna literally slide right out. All right, so continuation of last night. It got really cold. My hands were getting stiff. So Jake is here today.
Hey, what's going on?
And we are gonna pull this. Last night, all I did was get the just got the intercooler pulled off, radiator out, all the piping's out now.
Started on skateboard on this thing.
Yeah, do a tray flip, bro. I'm gonna laugh at the picture. Whoa! Oh! Pop, shove it in the creeper. I mean, shove it. Yeah, shove it in the creeper.
See if I can ollie it really quick.
Yeah, ollie this thing, dog. That didn't work.
No.
Alright, now the tomfoolery is ended. It's time to pull this out. When we got the intercooler piping off, ran my finger in here and there's tons of oil built up inside the intercooler piping. Jake is now doing the Motro mounts. I got fuel lines and a wiring harness and exhaust, and it's ready to pull out. You want some paper towels? Dude, what the hell? This got left out when it was raining like crazy. Where's all the wiring that you pulled out just 2 minutes ago?
Chucked it.
Hey.
Yeah, there's more random wires that are just...
Bro, literally this is like my first wiring kit, but like worse. Because the my first wiring kit like tells you how to do it correctly.
Yo, so what are you doing?
So, it's a short shifter, dude.
It's a really short shifter.
Get out of here. But yeah, it's all chained up. Everything's loosened up. I left this on because it's got some like ghetto wiring thing in there, and I just really didn't want to pull it, and it started already like coming out, so I guess I pulled it. And I'll have to repin that later on. I don't know. I think this might be one of those ISR like Z32. Oh no, this is Nissan on the side of it. It just wasn't labeled. So put that in there. But yeah, it's ready for liftoff. Everything is undone. I am not at all excited to pull this out. I hate pulling SR20s because they lean like crazy and they have nowhere to mount off of. So, time to pull her out. Motor is up and out. I just waiting for Zach. He's working on something right now and he's gonna help me. Whoops. Got that. He's gonna help me pull this out. Here he is.
Oh man, you spilled everything.
I know. I thought I drained everything out of it. I know. I have to get that kitty litter, so I gotta get this car back on the ground and then move it.
Oh, you're videoing me when you were making a mess in my beautiful driveway?
I know. I'm so sorry.
I don't care.
And it is out. Dang, this transmission is black, yo.
Stock.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Found the exhaust leak. There's only one bolt holding the elbow on. Oh, 2 bolts. That's kind of stupid. I still don't know what kind of manifold this is because it doesn't look like CX Racing, which is what I thought it was. But yeah, this thing it's got S15 turbo. Like, I can confirm that now because it's got the clocking adapters and everything. And yeah, it's it's crazy. This thing is out now. So it's time. I'm gonna go through and just clean it up. But I probably won't even clean it up that much because I literally need to get it inside of the car today. What are you doing?
Waiting for you to stop talking so I can...
I'm gonna go through and clean this. I'm gonna try and wipe it down. There's just... Dude, there's so much crap on this. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. But it's out. And I'm happy. Okay, so we got the motor back in here. I spent like so much time cleaning this and it doesn't look clean at all. It's kind of pathetic and sad. I'm gonna close the vlog out here today because I am tired. It is so cold. Working outside right now is annoying. And thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Subscriptions really mean a lot to us right now. Again, we are a growing channel. Next thing you're gonna see is hopefully that motor in there, which was actually supposed to be part of this video. So I gotta go home right now because I am 2 videos behind right now, so I gotta go and edit those.